If you've forgotten your Pi password or you've lost the seed phrase to your Pi wallet, in this video I'm going to show you the basic ways in which you can recover it back. Now, to recover your password, all you simply have to do is open up your Pi app, and then on your screen, as you can see on my own here, you select the menu option and then you go to this profile. Once you go to profile, on this list, you scroll up and locate this password section that has an update button in front of it. You click to open it. Then in this country section, you change it to your country. As for me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm switching it to Nigeria. And then the phone number I'm going to put is the phone number that is linked to my Pi account. So make sure you're using the phone number that you use to open or to register your Pi account. Now, there are two options. There is an automatic way of doing it and there's a manual way. I'll show you the two, but first of all, let's deal with the automatic. For this automatic, you need to click on this open SMS button. But before you click on it, make sure that the SIM card in which you use in opening your Pi is on your phone. So once it's in it, you click on that, then you click on this open SMS. So it's going to redirect you to open the SMS app on your phone. It could be iOS, it could be Android, it doesn't matter. The method is still going to work. So once you click on it, you can see I have several messages app on my phone and I'm going to be using this one. So once I open it, you can see this is my screen here. What they're basically requiring me to do is to send a code to this number, because this is their US number at the top of my screen. And then this is the code that I'm sending to them. Now, in my case, the number that I use to open my Pi account is my SIM2. So this, my SMS now is set to SIM1. I'm going to click on that section to switch it to SIM2 before I send the SMS. And before you do this, you must have card on your phone. So make sure you recharge at least 100 naira. Before they were charging 20 naira, but later they increased to 50 naira. I don't know how much they are charging now, but just basically make sure you have a minimum of 100 naira, and then you switch it. You now click on this send. So once you send the SMS, you wait for it to go. As you can see, my own is loading here. And once the SMS has gone, it will show this successful message. The next thing you now want to do now is to head back into your Pi app. So let me go back into my own app. And on the screen here, you can see it has finished loading and it brought this box for me to reset my password. So that is the basic way to do it. There is another method also, is the manual method. This one is automatic. For some of it might not work on your phone. So let me show you the second step before we now talk about recovering your Pi seed phrase. This second method is also similar to the first one. You just have to only do a few different things. Let me head back from this screen and I'm going to be clicking on that update password once again. So on this screen here, just like I did initially, I'm going to change the country to my country. Then you put in the phone number that's connected to your Pi account. Then you click on start and okay, it's showing me error. I think because I've done it before, so I'm going to minimize this page and I'll head back into my Pi app. Alright, so my Pi app is now opened up. Now I click on that menu section once again. Then you scroll up, go to your profile and you locate that update password. You open it, you switch the country to Nigeria, and then I'm putting in the phone number that is connected to my Pi account. Then you click on start. Basically, it's going to provide you with these two options again, either to do it automatically or to use the manual instructions. Now I'm going to be clicking on this manual instruction, and what it entails simply is that you copy this phone number on your screen here. So what I'm going to do is make sure you copy it with this plus sign. So I click on copy. Then the next thing, you want to go into your phone's app, then your dialer, you paste in the number. And what you want to basically do is to save this number. I'm going to be adding it to my contacts. So I'll click on add to contacts. So I'm creating a new contact. Then where I'll be saving this is, let me say Pi password. Let me say it as Pi password, then you save. Now, after saving, the next thing you want to do, or you might not even necessarily need to save it, but just to make it easier, after that, I'll head back into my Pi app. Then you copy this text. Sorry, this number. Look at this number on the screen here. Once you copy it, you head back into your messages app. And then I'm going to be searching for that number. Okay, it's saved here already, but if you're opening it for the first time, it's going to, let me head back. I'll minimize this page. All right. So head back into my messages app again. and you can basically see it. So I'll click on new message. Under this new message, add recipient. Then the number is saved now. Pi password. This is it. So once I open it, all right, that is basically the number I'll be using, and done. So once it's done, I'll paste in this code that I copied from the screen. Then you switch this number again to SIM2, because for me, SIM2 is the number that I use to connect my Pi account, and that is basically. So now you click on send, and once you send, they are going to charge you the debit to maybe 50 naira or 20 naira or 100 naira, and they will now give you the option to reset your password just as you saw initially. And that is the basic way to go about it. Now, for those of you that lost your Pi wallet seed phrase, yes, if you lost your Pi wallet seed phrase, I'm sorry to tell you, currently there is no way to get it back. Yeah, that is how the crypto world is. Once you lost your Pi wallet seed phrase or any seed phrase to any of your wallet at all, you cannot recover it. And that is why they advise initially that you should pack it up somewhere. You should write it in a safe place, because if anybody have access to that your seed phrase, they automatically have access to all your funds. And there is nothing you can do if someone get access to it. So now that you've lost it, I'm sorry to say, what you have to do now is to change your wallet. You will need to create a new wallet on your Pi browser. Once you create a new wallet, you will now go and connect it to your Pi app again, just as you did initially. But where you will have a little bit of problem is if you have already signed the acknowledgement. If you've signed the acknowledgement on your Pi page, then you're not able to change the wallet again. But if you have not signed the acknowledgement, then you are in luck, because you can still change your Pi wallet app. And that is all for today. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Make sure to like, share,